Hello everyone. Today students we are going to learn topic of English grammar, that is singular and plural noun. Students, we have already learned about nouns. So let's revise. The name of a person, place, animal and things, that is noun. Okay, now let's learn something more about nouns. Nouns can be one or many. Okay, let's see. Now, let's see the singular and plural noun. First, we will see the definition of singular and plural noun, and then we'll see the examples, and it's a too lengthy chapter, so there are some rules that we have to follow. So we'll see more about this in this video. Okay. Nouns that are one in number are called singular noun. Okay, noun that are one in number. सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, यानी कि वन पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग, और यू कैन से आइडिया, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे सिंगुलर नाउन. फॉर एग्जांपल वन बैग, वन बुक, वन कैट, वन स्टोर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज nouns that are more than one in number are called plural noun. Okay, for example, 2 cats, 4 books, 5 pans, 6 compass box. Okay, more than one, that is plural noun. Okay, in this chapter, how can we convert singular and plural singular to plural noun, that we are going to see. Students, when we write the plural form of a noun, we have to follow some rules. So let's learn them. Okay, rule number 1. We usually add as at the end of a noun to change it to its plural form. Okay. Rule number 1 is very simple, that if we have to convert singular to plural form, we just add s. Okay, for example, bird, birds. Okay, one pencil, many pencils. Okay, so to convert in a plural noun, we'll add just as. Let's see more examples. See, dog, dogs, hand, hands, week, weeks, apple, apples, cow, cows. You have observed in this example that we have already we just added as. Okay, now let's learn rule rule number 2. If a noun ends with as, ss, sh, ch or x, we add es to make it plural. This rule that you have to remember. Okay, fit it in your mind. That again I repeat, if the noun ends with s, ss, ch, sh or x, we add es to make it plural. Okay, let's see the examples. One watch, many watches. Here the word watch ends with the letter ch. So to make it plural form, we add es at the end. Let's see the more examples. See, brush. Brush and with the letter sh. So we will add es. Box, boxes. Church, churches. Watch, watches. Bus, buses. Switch, switches. Bench, benches. Now let's learn the rule number 3. If a noun ends with consonant, no vowel before y, okay, then we drop the y and add ies. Okay, This rule is very important that you have to remember. Okay, confused नहीं होना है. Okay, that I'll clear you why. अगर word ends with y, उससे पहले वॉवेल नहीं होना चाहिए, कॉन्सोनेंट होना चाहिए. ओके, सो y को हटा के हम IES ऐड करेंगे. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू विथ more examples. See, penny, one penny, many pennies. So here before y there is letter n. Okay, that n letter is consonant. So we will drop the letter y and will add IES. Okay, let's see more examples. See, baby, babies. Here baby, b is before y, letter b is consonant, so we'll drop the letter y and we'll add IES. Berry, berries. Fairy, fairies. Army, armies. Candy, candies. Copy, copies. Hobby, hobbies. Now let's see rule number 4. If a noun ends with a vowel and y, then we just add as at the end. That we don't drop the letter y. Okay, अगर नाउन और वर्ड y से एंड होता है, उससे पहले का बिफोर वर्ड, उससे पहले का वर्ड अगर वॉवेल है तो वी जस्ट ऐड एस. हमें y को हटाना नहीं है, विल जस्ट ऐड एस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, one monkey, many monkeys. So monkey, the word monkey ends with the letter y, but before that letter there is e, vowel sound. Okay, so therefore we have to change it into the plural form. For that is monkeys. We do not drop the letter y, but we just simply add the letter s. Okay, let's see more example. Ray, rays. Tray, trays. Toy, toys. Valley, valleys. Boy, boys. Okay, I hope you understood the video very well, and in next session we'll learn more about next rules. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye.